Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have learned about keyboard and mouse. Today in this session we are going to learn about printer, speakers, and after that we will see activity 4. Alright, so without a further ado let's start the video. What is a printer? Printer is a hardware because you can touch and feel. So printer is hardware. What is the use of printer? A printer is used to print information that you see on the monitor onto the paper. So dear students, whatever you see on the monitor or on the computer screen, that can be taken on the plain paper, and that is called as printout, and the process of writing that information on paper by the hardware is called as printer, right? So you can see the picture of printer over here. This is the printer. Fine. Printers that print in black and white color are called as black and white printers. Remember, very important point it is, the printers which print in black and white color are called as black and white printers. And dear students, some printers are there which print in any color, and those printers are called as color printers, right? So they have informed us about the two types of printers. First one is black and white and another one is color. Okay, now let us talk about speakers. What are the speakers? Speakers are used to hear the sound effects or to listen to the music on a computer. So let me remind you, on your annual day you have practiced your dance by using these speakers, right? So whatever song it was that was played on these speakers, right? So these are used to hear the music or sound effects. Fine. Now let us see what is the technical fact quickly. Technical fact is, the printed paper is known as printout or hard copy. The information on the computer is called a soft copy. So what does it mean by soft copy? Let me tell you one more time. Suppose your teacher has typed a test paper on computer, then if it is there in the computer it is called as soft copy. Okay, soft copy. And if the teacher takes the printout of that paper for your exam and gives it in your hand, then that copy is called as hard copy, or it is also called as the printout. Understood the concept? Alright, so your homework is to write the technical fact. This technical fact you have to write as it is by writing tech fact, and these complete two sentences. Fine. So let us see now the activity 4. Pardon me for my mistake. Actually it is activity 2, right? So let me read the first question. This activity 2 you have to write in your notebook, and if you have textbook then copy these questions in your textbooks also. Copy the answers. First question is, I am the computer's brain. Of all the parts, I am the main. So, which part it is? We have already seen in first standard that the computer's brain is actually the CPU, Central Processing Unit. So write down CPU in the blank box. next question is, I have a wheel that is round but it does not touch the ground. We know that a mouse has a wheel at center, right? So the answer of this question is mouse. Third question is, see below. I have I have a screen to show you different scenes. So on which part of the computer you see the different scenes, like the cartoon scenes, the comedy scenes? On which part of computer you see that? You see that on monitors. Yes, correct. And monitors looks like televisions, right? So let us move to the next question. I have keys but no lock to type as you talk. So we type by using which hardware? Typing is done by using keyboard, correct? So copy all these question answers in your notebook, and if you have the textbook, then copy these answers as well as write down in your notebook. So your homework will be what? Technical fact writing in notebook and activity 2 in the notebook. Fine. So that is all for today's session. Next part we will see in next session. Bye. Take care.